Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a taco soup. So apparently around this time I like to make soup. So this probably gonna be a little soup series because I can't seem to stay away from soup when it becomes fall. I make everything a damn soup. So we're gonna get into it. It's super easy. It don't take long at all. Let's get into it. So we're using about 1.5 pounds of this thin shredded beef. And then y'all can use ground beef if you want. You don't have to use this shredded beef. You can use between 1 to 2 pounds. This is 1.5 pounds. So me, I like to just cook it just a little bit, y'all, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just season it. So I am gonna use a little bit of this blend. Just a little of that, y'all. You know, some seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and not too much on the seasonings, y'all, because we are going to put some taco seasoning in here. Some black pepper and a little bit of paprika. I'm just going to put that down. Some cilantro, a little bit more of that, and some garlic, and then let that garlic cook in the meat. So we're going to add some lime juice, and I'm only using 1 lime, y'all. And some diced tomatoes, some corn, some hominy, pinto beans, and dark kidney beans. Give that a mix. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add 1 more can of diced tomatoes because I want some more tomatoes in this. We're gonna do 1 more can. Y'all can do rotel if y'all want to as well. I don't think I have none, but we're gonna do another can of diced tomatoes. Some more diced tomatoes. Beef broth. Y'all, this is a whole box, 32 ounces. Delicious, don't it? Okay, so we're gonna add this taco seasoning, y'all. They usually come in packages, but I got this whole thing. And then, y'all, we're gonna add this ranch packet. At this point, y'all, this is where you want to go ahead and taste it, see if you need to add some more seasonings right before we let it simmer. That's good. I can use a little bit more taco seasoning, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and a little bit of garlic powder because y'all know I love garlic powder. All right. Okay, y'all. Put the lid on, let it simmer for 20 minutes. Now, while we wait on that, y'all, please do not forget my cookbook. I am going to beat this in y'all head every single time we do a video because y'all need to know my cookbook is out there. It's on Amazon. It's also linked in the description below. All you gotta do is search my name on Amazon. It's gonna come up on Amazon, okay? Get cooking and keep cooking. Back to the food. Okay. So it's been about 20 minutes, y'all. This is pretty much done, y'all. This don't take long at all. I'm finna go ahead and plate it up and show y'all how we do that. So y'all, we just add some cheese. Kind of want to let this melt a little bit. Okay, we go in with some sour cream. Look, y'all. I don't want to spill it. It's even better with that beef and not that ground beef. Ooh. Not saying the ground beef wouldn't taste good, but this is a hit. Barely got jalapenos, but they're gonna be fire regardless. Don't even worry about it. Yeah. You want jalapenos on yours too?
Got that right.
Oh, glad. Y'all, look how delicious. Cheese is melted and everything. Make sure y'all get in the description below because y'all know the grocery list is down there. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
She be working. Watch. Let's see if she be really working.
Some jalapenos up in here.
Hit that subscribe button!